Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be looking at some of our best cases that are available right now for you to get your hands on in time for when your iPhone 12 series device arrives, meaning you can provide instant protection to your new precious device. If you would like to be kept up to date with the latest smartphone tech, please hit our subscribe button. Our first case for today is Tech21's Evo Check cover, which is being modelled by the iPhone 12 mini dummy. This is the smoky black version of the case, which is rather subtle and provides the necessary protection in order to keep your brand new device intact. Though the most interesting and unique element of this case is made within its materials. Built within is a formula that is able to kill 99.99% of bacteria. The typical smartphone holds over 25,000 bacteria per square inch. This is collected from the amount of use and surfaces that your handset comes into contact with each day. So having a case that is capable of protecting you from harmful germs without having to constantly clean the case is a massive advantage. Another quirky feature that is available to this case is the interchangeable buttons. You have 3 colour options to choose from. These colours are black, green and blue. Therefore you can change the visuals of your cover to complement the marvellous covers that are available within the iPhone 12 series. I really admire the healthy amount of protection that is offered to the camera lenses of the device. Apple's iPhone 12 series hold the most evolved cameras yet, meaning you will want a case to ensure nothing will damage the way you take photos from your handset, and this case will be able to provide that protection. Next up is Ringke's Fusion X case. This cost-friendly cover provides high protection to the handset that it is attached to. The case I hold here is the Camo Black, though it also is available in a transparent option, which allows you to show the entirety of the spectacular handset. The Camo option is also rather appealing, as you will still be able to see the colour of the device through the design. With the iPhone 12 range coming in such an array of colours, you would definitely want your smartphone to be seen through the case. The case has been constructed with shock-absorbing corners to tackle more than your everyday collisions, ideal for those who tend to put their phones in situations that may make their handset vulnerable to scuffs and scrapes. I am very impressed with the generous amount of bezel that is given to protect the phone's camera, though I'm not sure the same can be said about the protection offered to the screen of the phone. There isn't much of a lip guarding the display, so I would recommend if you are purchasing this case to also get a screen protector, to ensure your device receives 360 protection. The rubber edges offer further more grip to your phone, as when the phone is placed in your hand it feels secure, allowing you to scroll through your phone's content without the worry of it slipping from your hand. The cover is very thin, which is very much appreciated, especially when guarding the Pro Max, as the phone is already rather large. This allows the smartphone to feel comfortable and not overbearing when texting on your device. Our third case is this visually pleasing cover from Spade that looks exceptionally well when protecting your handset, though this case goes beyond its looks. It offers shock-absorbing protection, which will be able to deflect any harsh impacts that could result in damaging your new device. It also has a cushioned bumper, which once again adds to the security of the device if in the event your phone was to fall. Basic protection is offered from the case to ensure that when your phone is placed down, both your camera lenses and screen will not come into contact with the surface, eliminating the chance of your screen becoming scratched. Though, if the screen was to come into direct contact, it will be exposed, meaning it will become vulnerable to damage. Therefore, as like before, I do recommend a screen protector alongside this case, to make sure your handset is getting 360 protection. This case supports a delicate daisy design, which does not overpower the overall look of the case and also allows you to showcase the original design of Apple's latest release. Within the daisies there are little diamantes that look fabulous when hit by the light. This beautiful design is a classic way to elevate the already visually wonderful smartphone. There is branding on the case, though it doesn't detract the beauty of the case, but it is a statement to show that your device is being protected by a well-known fashionable brand. Despite the external buttons being covered by the case, you'll experience no issues when wanting to function them, allowing you to still hear that satisfying click when adjusting the volume of your handset. Our penultimate case of today is this simple yet stylish leather cover from Olixar. This is a cheaper alternative to Apple's official leather case, as it matches the same quality and protection without its high price, allowing for you to save your money. The overall aesthetic of the case is extremely classy, making it the perfect accessory to not only protect your phone, but to also complement your personal style. Because of its flawless visuals, it is appropriate for all occasions. If this grey option isn't quite to your taste, you're in luck, as you can also get this cover in black or brown. Or you can get multiple cases as the price is so good, allowing you to switch up the look of your iPhone 12 regularly. A beneficial factor of owning a leather cover is its ability to always look clean. They are unlikely to show finger marks or have dust attached, If in the unlikely event that they were to become visible, it can be cleaned using an appropriate method. Therefore, this cover allows your phone to keep its pristine visuals even long after purchasing. The case is able to transform into a stand, allowing you to watch content when on the go. Also, when opening the cover, there are 2 integrated card slots, ideal for carrying your ID or debit card, making your items easy to access when out and about. Even when your phone is receiving 360 protection, you'll still be able to access all of the external features, meaning you will not be missing out when your phone is receiving high quality protection. Our last case is Ghostek Covert 4 case, which can give your brand new device that very much needed protection in order for your handset to stay looking like new. Just from looking at the case, you can see there is a healthy lip which is situated around the screen of the phone to provide protection to the device's most important asset. So when placed down, your display will not come into contact with the surface and will allow you to carry on watching your favourite TV shows from the new Super Retina display, scratch-free. Air cushioned corners have been built into the case to protect the vulnerable areas of your device if in the event it was to fall. Another beneficial factor of the case is its anti-slip coating, protecting your device from sliding on slippery surfaces. The anti-slip coating does not in any way cause any friction to your handset when removing and placing into your pocket. There is an integrated stand situated on the back of the cover, meaning you can place your phone in a more enjoyable angle for you to watch your screen's content. Once you have finished watching, you can simply place the stand back for it to go unnoticed, which is then held down by magnets, so it will not open on its own accord. This is perfect for when watching movies when on the go. You'll be able to access all of the external features with ease, as this cover has been created to ensure you will not become frustrated when wanting to complete simple tasks. If you wish to purchase any of the cases that are featured in today's video, please check out the links in the description and comments below. For more content regarding mobile accessories and tech reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.